If I didn't have a day where I had to clean out garbage from the van, I'd be shocked. But either way, today I got Marissa B99 RXT, and yeah, like was mentioned last week, I was able to get early slot selection. The only thing is that I'm kind of sad that I got early slot selection for 2 weeks, but I'm kind of sad that for both days, I basically am just doing 6 to 10 as opposed to 7 to 1 like I wanted, but you know, just have to deal with it. So right now I'm just in the middle of setting up. Why does the ramp feel heavy? Like, I'm in the middle of setting up for the morning thing and everything. Thankfully, got that one clamp over there. Let me move back there. It's just by the driver's seat. Like, that must have been from the last driver for sure. Hold up. Some stuff in this cup holder. And some stuff. Okay, it's not as bad. But yikes. Like they do a good job. Again, they do a good job with the exterior, especially since every other Via van gets into a car crash. But this is honestly disgusting. And like this is one of the worst vans as I've seen being cleaned out and everything, because there's some who may legitimately forget to take care of something, but come on. All right. I'm sorry to sound like I'm complaining and everything. And I don't want to make it look like I'm just one with a complaining spirit and stuff. So let me just disinfect the van and see how it goes. I still didn't get on the road yet, but I just wanted to mention that at least today I got a 4-seater van. I just had to like take pictures and stuff, and yeah, I was recommended to inform Via about it because that was disgusting. Like an old stale vanilla wafer that was dirty, all the gum and everything. I'm like, dude, this is a lot. But hey, it is what it is. So I was trying to get this stuff out of the passenger side, but this guy's backing up right here. Okay. Right now it should be 5:59. Gotta rush back over to the van and then continue. Holy cow. It's 8:22 right now. Basically, like at first, like I was like, oh wow, there's no traffic, there's no kids going to school today, but yeah, there is. It's like next week is Thanksgiving, but yeah, it turns out there are some kids going to school after all. And I just had to fight through the fact that portions of West Side Avenue is closed, so I had to deal with that. And now I got a passenger I have to take from Society Hill to Newport and stuff. And according to the new schedule that they have now for Via, for the Via Driver app, like I'm supposed to pick them up at 8:49 and everything, but I'll likely get there early because like it's like, oh, I'm getting to where I'm going early. Who would complain about that? So just gonna get going and see how it goes. I'm here about 10 minutes early and stuff because Society Hill is right behind this Acme. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna quickly use the bathroom and see if I could order some lunch late, so that way, you know, I won't be too hungry and stuff. Because I basically have about an hour before I am supposed to finish up with my shift. So in the end, I just want to make sure that, you know, I'm as good as possible and everything. Because yeah, I guess with the new schedule thing, the bright side is that I don't have to strain myself for too long, but we'll see how it goes. I'm right now rushing back to the van only because of the fact that I went around looking for lunchly, and like they were there, just not the pizza one. I think the pizza one is the best one, and it's the only one that I've tried. And even the one on my nephew's channel was there, the nachos. But, you know, I actually got to get there right now, out to Society Hill. Back at the lot, and conveniently I was able to park next to my truck. So, it was a pretty good morning and everything. Like, after the Newport run, I relaxed for literally 1 minute at Target and stuff. And then afterwards, I had one more passenger that was over on Garfield, and basically had to like take them to the corner of Bergen and Communipaw, which afterwards it was literally a 3-minute drive back to here, or 3 to 5 minute drive, which was not bad at all. So it's right now 10:06. To explain the title of this video and everything, like, my parents was able to rent Despicable Me 4 on Sunday, and they were able to rent it on Vudu, and basically what's happening is that the rental ends tonight. They were able to see it first. I didn't want to see it right away, only because of the fact that I had stuff to do on Sunday, and yesterday I was just exhausted. In fact, I was able to record the trip home on the Hudson Bergen Light Rail because it was my mom and I. We were able to take the Bayonne Flyer, or all the way to the end of the line to 8th Street, since dad was kind enough to pick us up there and everything. Because normally when I'm by myself, I park at 22nd Street only because of the fact that, you know, like, that's the closest one there, because the closer you get into the city, the more traffic you have to deal with, both heading there and home and stuff. So I'm like, might as well be at 8th Street where it's a little bit more convenient. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to mention. Turns out there was a bus there, a charter bus, specifically a Van Hool C2045 that was parked there and everything, and it kind of proved my point on how the 89 bus could likely use 8th Street as a potential terminal as opposed to 34th Street, only because, let's face it, 34th Street, it's like it's a little bit further down the line. You have to take more stairs and elevators than you need to, and the added bonus, that overpass is disgusting. Like, it's not that the cleaners don't do a good job with it, it's that people are nasty. Like, there are times where I couldn't take the elevator, walk over, or anything. Like, there was one time when I had no choice but to take the elevator because there were some people sitting on the steps smoking marijuana, and I'm like, no thank you. So you know, just whatever can be done to make transportation a little bit better and everything. And not to mention, everyone can be able to board the train much sooner. So that's why I want MTA and New Jersey Transit to really think about it, if they haven't done so already, because they can't do the, oh, no buses can fit here. Yesterday I saw a 45-foot bus waiting there for passengers. So it just proves my point that they can't fit there, because, you know, for the most part, it's the Novas or the occasional Orions that come by. But the last time I was on the 89, and like, it was a Prevost, which was awesome and stuff. Like, to have one of the commuter coaches on a limited route, come on. Like, who am I to complain? I mean, in fact, you could see that video on this channel. It came out about a month or 2 ago. Oh, wait, it was a month ago. I remember. But all the other driver partners that have the same schedule as me, they're coming back in right now. I actually gotta report something to VIA, both with the squeaky brakes, the tires, and the biggest thing of all, the garbage in the van. That van was disgusting. Like, the passenger seat is one thing, but the fact that I saw a lot of stuff in the driver's seat, I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. But yeah, that's that. So I'm just gonna go home and like I said in the title of the video, I will watch Despicable Me 4 with pride, but after of course I get some snacks. See y'all later.